Hello everybody, welcome to this review. Today we have this Lavalier wireless microphone for iPhone. Let's get in the unboxing. I saw many TikTokers always use this, so I said let's try. It is very cool because you have two of this, so you attach to your shirt just like that. So the microphone is very close to your mouth, and of course the sound will be great. We're gonna do a test using my iPhone next. Then you have a little plug that goes inside the iPhone. Of course you need to have the new iPhone to connect the receiver. In the box you have a wind protector for the microphone, USB adapter. You have a cable. With one USB you can charge both wireless microphone. A cat wind protector, very cool. It's a little cat, it's so cute. You have two. So this is what in the box. Installation, it's very easy. You plug this on the phone, push the button to power the microphone, and that's it. So let's do a video recording on the phone. Okay, this is a test using my iPhone without the wireless microphone. Let's see the difference. Oh, actually I'm wearing two glasses. Alright, that's better. Let's see if you can hear the fan on top and what kind of noise it makes. Hey everybody, this is a test using this Lavalier microphone. Maybe with this microphone you won't hear my fan that is running over there. Okay, I just listened to two videos. Without the microphone you can hear the background noise. With the microphone I don't hear anything. I just hear my voice. However, my first impression, I said, did it change my voice a little? It almost looked like those filters you can apply on CapCut. I don't know if you ever use CapCut. However, it's fine. I mean, nobody will see a difference. If you compare the two voices, I think there is a little filter applied to the voice. Maybe he lower the high frequency. However, overall, if you don't see side by side, I guess my voice will be the same. So overall, I really like this one. I'm going to use it. I really like the simplicity. You just add and that's it. You don't have to go there in the setting and click there. Oh no, I forgot to put my external microphone. Also, I have a bad experience in the past with the external microphone using jack, but this one is USB-C. So I guess if you see the light, the microphone is connected. Instead, before, back in the days with the jack, you didn't have a feedback. You didn't know if it was connected good. I don't know. I'm gonna use this one. So far I really like it. So that's all for this review. See you next time. Bye bye.